Hello everyone, welcome back to SM Tech Creation YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix you are not eligible to sign up Zoom at this time issue. First open your Zoom application. Then click on sign up. Now choose your birthday. I am randomly select 2004. Now you can see you are not eligible to sign up for Zoom at this time issue. To fix this problem, you have to install your Zoom application first. Now install Zoom application again. After install Zoom application, open it, click on sign up. Now you must to select a year before 2000 as your birth year. Now click on confirm. Now you can see issue fixed. I hope this video is very useful to you guys. Like, comment your ideas below in the comment box and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon below. See you next video. Thank you.